Page 6 of your packet goes over mean, median, and mode. A tendency frequency. So here, use the dot plot. So this is a dot plot. So the other thing you guys are going to have to just remember is you'll get a box plot, you'll get a whisker plot, or box and whisker plot. I was going to cough. You'll get a dot plot. You guys have a line, a trend line, or line of best fit. So you just have to get used to which, you're going to have a Venn diagram. So you just kind of have to get used to the names of what we're asking you to do. Okay, so where's my calculator? Oh, here. All right. Okay, first of all, what does this graph mean? It means that if I was to transfer this dot plot into a list of numbers, okay, I have 1, 1, I have 3, 2, right, data points. I have 3, 3 data points, 1, 2, 3, 6 4s. 1, 2, 3, is that 5? 6. I have 4 5s, 2 6s, and 1 8. Sorry, it's ugly. Okay, fair enough. That's all it means. Okay. Okay. So it says what is the median of this data set, and then what is the range? Okay. Just for the sake of what they're going to ask you down below, what's a central tendency? Let's do all three. Okay, central. The central tendency, I don't know, I put frequency here. The central tendency is essentially mean and median and mode. So whatever the data points are, mean is average, mean is average, median is the middle number when you put them from smallest to greatest, okay, when you put them in order. And then mode is the frequency, okay? So if we do that for these data points, let's see. Okay, what's the mean? The mean is the average. Let's put it up here. All right, so you're going to add up, you're going to sum all your data points. And so it says, what's the sum of the data values and how many values are there? Okay, so if I grab a calculator, ladies, Natalie. Okay, what is 1 plus 2, 4, 6, right? 3, 6, 9. What is it, 4 6s? 24. 20, because there's 4 5s, 2 6s, and 1 8. Okay, I get 80. So if I add the values up, I get 80. Yes? Okay. How many numbers are there? I know. How many values are there? How many?
8.
So go 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are there?
Oh.
Yeah, it's okay to be off one. So it's 20. Okay, so there's 20 values. So what's 80 divided by 24? So the mean is 4. So on average, average is 4. Okay, what's the median? The median is your middle number. So you put them from smallest to greatest, find the middle value. Okay, so if they're 20 each, so go 10 in, because what's half of 20? 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm about here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm here. Okay, do you guys remember, if not, it's okay. Do you remember if you have an even number of numbers, your middle number isn't going to land somewhere. Remember, if you have an odd number of values, you're going to have an easy middle number. But remember, 20 is 10 in, 10 in, and so you land in the same, in not the same spot. So what you do is you take the average of the two middles. And so what is 4 plus 4 divided by 2? You get 4. Obviously, they were the same value, so duh, it would have been 4. But if it's an odd number of values, you'll land in the middle number. Okay, if not, if it's even, you got to take the average of those two values. Okay, what's the range? Oh wait, let's do mode even though it doesn't ask us for it. Okay, what's the mode? Mode is frequency. It's the value that is most present. So which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 8, which one's present the most? Which one has the most dots?
4.
Right. So my mode is 4. Right? Okay, what is my range? Range is your largest value minus your smallest value. So it's kind of your final minus initial. And so what is 8 minus 1, right? 8 is my, 8 is my largest data value. 1 is my smallest. So what's 8 minus 1? 7. So that's my range. Easy, right? Mean, median, and mode. It's middle school at its best. Okay, so 3, use a data set shown for, okay, so we're going to use this, create a dot plot. Okay, so you guys are going to create a dot plot. What's the smallest value here in this list? What's the smallest one? 10. And what's the largest? 18. Okay, so you're going to go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You're going to put little dots. So if you have 1, 2, 3 10s, you should be placing 3 dots. That's a dot plot, yeah? And if you only have 1 18, 18 would only have 1 dot, and then of course you guys do the rest. Okay, then it says find the measure of central tendency, the mean and the median. If you want to do mode as well, and if you want to do range, if you just want to practice it, because when you guys eventually take your test or you do your team quiz off of this, you'll also need to find mode and range, so if you want to add that. Okay, as far as 5, do the box plot. We'll go over whisker plots, box whisker plots. I'll show you on Google what it is, see if you guys remember it. But that is straight like 7th, 8th grade. Okay. So we'll go over box and whisker plots Monday, and then of course we'll do this as well. Okay, fair? Yeah? So cut it? Yeah. Okay. Me.